Hi, welcome to TenorShare channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change GPS location on iPhone for iOS 17 system. Without further ado, let's start. Here I will recommend ianygo location changer. ianygo is the best and most powerful location changer iOS systems that can be utilized in a wide range of applications, such as mobile games and social apps. Also, it has several free trials of the features. ianygo not only supports iOS 17, but also updates a new location changing feature called Jump Teleport. Let's check it out. Launch ianygo and connect your iPhone to PC. Choose Jump Teleport function. Now follow me to turn on the developer mode. I will slow down. Then, go back to ianygo. You'll find already entered the map. Compared to the Change Location function, Jump Teleport can support you pre-selecting several locations and then jumping frequently by repeatedly clicking Start Modify. And you can also set the time interval for automatic jumping. It's super handy. Now, you can change your location to anywhere you want to go. Okay, it's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.